G'day guys, Dave here from David Ferrari Constructions. I went to the Ski and Learn 17, I think it was, at Wanaka. Beautiful spot, great bunch of guys. Matt was a great host and taught us a lot about digital marketing and creating content to use on your websites and Instagram and whatnot. Yeah, look, as I said before, great bunch of guys. Personally, I've done business with a few of them. You know, Nick does my signs, for example. So yeah, look, you get a lot out of it, and look, I'd definitely love to go again. Busy with the family and whatnot, but mate, as long as I can get a leave pass, I'm hoping to maybe do the surf and learn or the ski and learn again. So yeah, guys, look, definitely recommend it, and if you can get out there and do it. You'll learn a lot, and you'll get a lot out of the trip. It's a bit of fun and a bit of learning all wrapped up into one. So yep, get stuck into it, guys.